Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're a teacher, student, office organizer, or just someone who loves staying neat and labeled, then stick around. Because today we're reviewing the best school labels on the market. The Batrical 3.5, x2.25, colorful name tag stickers. Let's start with the basics. The Batrical name tag stickers come in a roll of 200. That's right, 200 rectangular tags measuring 3.5 inches by 2.25 inches, making them spacious enough for any name, label, or short note you want to write. They come in 5 vibrant colors: yellow, green, blue, orange, and red, giving you the flexibility to organize, categorize, or just add a splash of color to your day. Now, these aren't your average labels that peel off in the middle of class or a busy workday. The stickiness on these name tags is top-notch. Once applied, they stay put, no curling edges or frustrating corners lifting up. But here's the cool part. When you're ready to remove them, they peel off cleanly without leaving any residue. That means no more scrubbing sticky glue off your refrigerator, desk, or storage bins. These name tags are made with high-quality material and adhesive. The surface feels smooth but strong, and they're printed using non-toxic ink, which makes them safe for kids and adults alike. Another nice touch? The colors stay bold and bright. They don't fade over time even when exposed to regular use. Whether you're labeling student desks, organizing craft supplies, hosting events, or managing your kitchen pantry, these stickers are versatile and ready to go. They're compatible with any pen, whether you're using a marker, ballpoint, or gel pen. That means no smudging, no drying delays, just clear, legible writing from the moment your pen hits the label. And because they're rectangular, they give you enough space for both names and additional info, like dates, group numbers, or ingredients. This makes them perfect for classrooms, volunteer settings, conference events, or just labeling those mystery leftovers in your fridge. Even though they're incredibly useful, they're also simple. You don't need a label printer. You don't need custom software. Just peel, stick, and write. That's it. To wrap it up, the Batrical colorful name tag stickers check all the boxes. Strong adhesion, clean removal, vivid colors, safe materials, and smooth writing compatibility. If you're looking for a practical labeling solution that fits in classrooms, offices, kitchens, or any busy setting, this is it. No frills, no fuss, just a reliable product that works every single time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more product breakdowns you can trust. Until next time, stay organized.